And welcome back to the Corbellic Studios. I'm Corbellic. We're going to be doing another painting walkthrough of three beautiful ballerina dancers. This one's going to be a figurative art. I love figurative art because there's no rules. I mean, you know me, there's no rules in any of the art anyways, but there's really no rules when it comes to just the flow, the beautiful flow of a woman, right? Just dancing. And these always do well. These sell well, and it's just always a great time. I mean, I'm going to do like an abstraction watercolor on it. I'm going to just let different color flow, and you don't need to make things complicated. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to just do art and on to the next one. A lot of times when I'm talking about creating paintings in 7 to 12 minutes, sometimes it's even less than that. You know, sometimes it's just we do one simple principle, let it be confident, let the chips fall where it lays, and then go on to the next one. But at least you're creating volume underneath your belt. That way you're boosting your mind. You're helping yourself psychologically. You're going to help yourself psychologically by having the volume underneath you that you know the machine is pumping anyways, and that you really showed up to work. So let's show up to work. This is going to be a very quick video, and I'm going to show you how we just get in, get out, onto the next one. And you could do it too. Click the link below, join the free eBay art community, and you can see how to do this for yourself. Start making money as early as next week. We're in holiday time. Come on. All right, so these are the three ballerinas right here. I'm going to keep it really simple. Just going to do some watercolor. I'm going to take my very cheap brush right here that you get from the dollar store. Just going to get some pink, right? Look at this. This is like a pink color, a lot of watercolor, or a lot of water. And look, I'm just, see how I'm doing that? Let's have some more drippage here. People pay for those drippage, so don't miss out on the opportunity to do the drips, because people pay for it. They want it. Oh, look at that. It's messy. Oh, yeah. All right, so now let's go into um, like a cream color, or maybe a little bit of yellow. And then we're going to go into to water. And this is like the dress, right? These only work if you're doing the paint to be loose and wet. Now let's go into some white. And we're already working off of a white canvas, so you see how I'm going about this and how I'm being loose with it, right? Look at that. It only works if you're being loose with your water and letting it happen. Now let's add a little bit of blue, and let's let that blue water down too, like the bottom of the dress, right? Or something like that. And then like there. And that's pretty much the hardest part of the painting. That's it. Now what I'm just going to do is take out the heat gun so we could dry off these water drippages, so we could dry off this acrylic part, and then we're just going to go in there on the darker parts, and then we're just going to be done. You know, people love that. Keep it simple too. Give people the option where everything doesn't have to be complicated. The only person who's complicating their lives is you. All right, boom, there we go. Now we're just gonna go into our black, do the lining, and then that's it. And just be also loose with this as well. It doesn't have to be tight. You know, you can even do multiple lines in there, like it's intentional. Look at this. That way you're being confident with what you're doing. Right? Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at this. I love doing these. This is like the bottom of the dress, right? And you can do this too. You know, you can even use one of my references and just do the same painting. I'm not some of these artists out here that get offended. Oh, you painted my painting. You did my stuff. There's nothing new under the sun. None of this is ours. It doesn't belong to us. So you're free to do any of my designs if you feel inspired off of it, because I was inspired by something to pick it up as well. Either if it's from AI references, from somebody else's art, there's nothing new under the sun. That's totally fine. You can do that. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. This is going to be like her hair. Oh, that is beautiful. Yeah, I love that. I think I'm going to keep this for myself. Give it away as a present, maybe. Someone in the family. This worked out exactly how I knew it was going to work out, because the work is already there. Like I was saying in one of my other videos, is that fashion is very similar to creating art. And one of the things that they teach in fashion, or the first thing that they teach, is you could get away with whatever you want as long as you're confident on your choices. As long as you're confident of what you're doing, the choices, and what you created, and who you are, that's all you need. And bravo, that's all you need. So we're done on that painting. I'm not going to do anything else to it. Put my signature on it. Take a picture. Boom. And look at that. Huh? We did this together. How long did this take us? About what? 5-6 minutes. This painting right here. And this is beautiful. People love to put this in their living room, in their kitchen, or anything like that. And there you go. So we did this together. If I can do it, you can do it. You know what we always say, let's not make things so complicated. Let's just make art and go on to the next one. The more canvases that you have, the more materials that you have, the better that you're going to be feeling about your choices, and you're going to be making fast choices and then on to the next one. The only reason at times that we want to work slower is because we're trying to conserve the amount of materials and canvases that we have. So that's also another trick that you can do for yourself, is just build up a body of inventory, and you know that you have things to just keep going. My problem is I got too many references and things that I'm inspired off of that I want to paint. So on to the next one. I'll see you.